Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's make some black art journaling. We spent the Christmas and the New Year's in the Netherlands, and it was a wonderful trip, and I really love the Netherlands. What a beautiful country and lovely people. There was this action shop, which was my favorite. There were all kinds of lovely stuff in good prices. And I found this black sketchbook from there. And I was so excited. I do love black color and it goes together well with all kinds of colors. So today, let's try this out. I will also share a bit about my thoughts on my creative journey, what I am going to do next. But let's talk about that a little bit later in the video. Now, let's grab our acrylic markers and do some black art journaling. I think we will start with the first page. I have no specific planning. I just thought that I could add one little shape and the next little shape, and I will do that the whole page. And then I will decorate. But now I will start with one small shape and go on from there. Ooh, so fun. Now the page is dry. And next, let's add some decorations here and there. And while I am doing them, I will tell you a bit more of the plans that I have made for the future. Lately, I have been thinking of this creative journey. I have been doing YouTube for over 3 years now, and it has been quite an adventure. It has helped me to decide about the future and where I want to go next with this. As a mom and as a graphic design entrepreneur, my art and video makings has been a bit all over the place, like doing a part here and a part there. There has not been so much time to do this as I would like there to be. My focus has been on my art and working on this channel whenever I have had the time. Passion for art is really strong and it brings me so much joy. I go to sleep with art projects on my mind that I would like to do, and I am so excited if I know that I have time to do them the next day. But in the long run, this way of doing is not sustainable. And AI has changed YouTube a lot, and it will change it even more in the future. So now is the time to think ahead and make some changes. I have been thinking about my dreams and future goals with art, and I have decided that I would like to be able to do more often art, and in the future even do this full time. So I have been taking little steps behind the scenes to make that happen. And I have been creating a cozy little creative corner, a Patreon account, and I'm really excited about this next part of the creative journey. I will still upload videos to my YouTube channel, but if you want to see more content and join the creative community over there, you can join my Patreon account on the 1st of February when it opens. I will then put the Patreon link to my YouTube wall. Here is a little preview of the front page and of the February calendar. I have really enjoyed building up the Patreon. It has been a lot of fun. And every month there will be a specific calendar when I upload stuff. Now I would like to say a warm thank you for all the support that you have given me here on YouTube and for being a part of this journey. It has really warmed my heart. And all of your kind and warm comments are truly amazing. What an amount of happy bubbles. Thank you. Let's keep on creating and also keep working towards our goals and dreams, even though the world is in turmoil right now. I wish you all the best and strength to your everyday life and much love. Until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.